Where does the name for Clwt-y-Bont come from? So today I'm in a very small hamlet on the edge of Deiniolen called Clwt-y-Bont. Let's get into the name.
Clwt-y-Bont is composed of three elements. The first, clwt, is a borrowing from Middle English clwt, meaning a patch or a small piece of land. The second element, is the definite article, the. The final element, bont, is the soft mutated form of pont, meaning a bridge, a word ultimately derived from Latin pontem, also meaning a bridge.
Now, according to my research, and I'm not entirely sure about it, the Bont in Clwt-y-Bont actually refers to this one, near Melin Sam.
Melin Sam is also called Glandyn-Orwig Slate Works. The works were established in 1853 by Samuel Jones and specialised in producing polished writing slates for use in schools. It contained three departments: slate sawing and splitting, slate polishing, and slate framing and finishing. Jones promoted himself as the sole maker of the celebrated Crown School slates. Although the company had ceased operation by 1900s, these slates were still being used at Deiniolen Central School in the late 1940s. The name Melin Sam is somewhat uncertain. Covlane lists it as Melin Sarn, meaning the mill of the causeway. This means Melin Sam may result from a reading error, as the letters R and N can resemble M in some typefaces. Regardless, the name Melin Sam appears to have become the locally accepted form. Both Clwt-y-Bont and the neighbouring village of Deiniolen were established in the early 19th century to house workers employed at the Dynnorwig slate quarry. The settlements include single cottages and short terraces built into the slope, features typical of an early industrial community in Gwynedd. The layout was largely determined by the line of the 1825 Dynnorwig Railway. Few new buildings were constructed after the 1860s until social housing developments in the 1940s. The novelist Anne Harriet Hughes, born in 1852, lived in the village for a time following her marriage. The Pentra Helen housing estate, built in the late 1930s, linked Clwt-y-Bont with Deiniolen, forming a single continuous settlement. The local economy was later severely affected by the closure of Dynnorwig Quarry in 1969.
So the name literally means the small patch of land by the bridge. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.